Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to contact Kraken customer support, and this is actually very simple. You want to head over to Google and search for Kraken customer support, just like so. As you can see, contact us. So let's click on this link. As you can see, that you can either chat directly with their mobile phone, like the mobile app that you have, or you could give them a call. So if I click on give us a call, these are the regions and the support numbers. So you just need to see what region you are in, and you want to call the number that directly corresponds to you. And for some reason, if you are not in these regions, then what you need to do is contact them through the mobile phone application support system. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.